How to add voiceover in CapCut. What is up everyone? In this tutorial we're going to see how you can easily add a voiceover in CapCut. So the very first thing you're going to have to do is open up CapCut and create a project. I already have my project here, so I can just open my existing project. And then once you have done that, here if you want to add a voiceover to the video, you can just go ahead and scroll to the side down below and then find an option for audio. Tap on audio, then tap on record. So all you have to do is press and hold on the mic icon to start recording. So if I just press on it, it's going to start recording my voice, and as you can see down below, the audio is being recorded. So if I just leave it, and then if I play the audio, it's going to play my voiceover. So let me just show you guys. I'll just increase the volume a bit and then play it. It's going to start recording my voice. Alright, so as you guys can hear that the voiceover has been successfully recorded. Now all you have to do is click on export. And if you want to change it, you can just delete the voiceover as well and re-record it again. And that's basically it. If you found the tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.